Have you ever noticed that there are so many French words that we use almost in any language that we speak? Today, I'm going to tell you about these French words that are very common in our languages. For example, imagine the word champagne. It is originally French, but it is used in many languages. So watch this video to see what you're going to know about these original French words. Hello to everybody. Hope you're doing so fine. Septalk is here again with a new video. I hope that you have watched my previous videos, the popular ones like my video about cooking in French and also 40 necessary verbs in French. And I also hope that this video would be one of those favorite videos of yours. So here I am. Watch it till the end. So as I explained, you're gonna hear a list of originally French words that you hear them almost once in a while. So here they are in an alphabetical order. The first one is apostrophe, which is apostrophe. Attaché, meaning attached to something. The third one is baguette, ballet, a kind of dance. Bachelor, which means a bachelor in art and also a person who is single. Bon voyage, meaning have a good trip, which is also used in English. Bon appétit, enjoy your meal. Bureau originally means desk in French, but in English it means something like an office. Champagne, no need to introduce. Chic, meaning stylish. And cliché, something very repetitive, something like a stereotype. This slide starts with a word that I know would be a favorite word to so many people, also me. Déjà vu. It is basically French and it means already seen. So you know the concept of déjà vu, and now that you know the meaning of it in French, you know why they call it so. Already experienced, already seen. The next one is dossier, meaning a file. Eau de cologne and eau de toilette. Another very common word is énergie, galerie, hôtel, also jubilee. The word massage, menu, which in English we call it menu, and also métro, we call it subway or underground. The ending of the list would start with the word papier-mâché, which means a kind of handicraft. Première means premier, elite. The popular word rendezvous, meaning appointment. Risque is originally French. Also sentiment, sentiment or feeling. Technique with Q-U-E at the end. Télévision or television in English. The word tournement, a kind of competition. And finally, zest, which is the same in pronunciation in English. If this video kind of made you interested in learning the French language, you can start learning by just watching this video. The first step to learn a language. Bonne chance!